DeFi podcast. We are here. It is 9:48 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Today is Monday, January 5th, 2026. And the Fear and Greed Index is 49, which is neutral. The bulls are not there. The bears are not there. Everybody's kind of waiting this out. But Bitcoin is going up, 93,857, burst out at 94 today. Ethereum is at 3,226. This is all US dollars. BNB is at 908. Solana is at 137. XRP at $2.37. Bitcoin still dominated. Altcoin season way down. Market cap of 3.22 trillion. A volume of $127 billion. And again, it's the start of the year, so that's not bad. We'll have to wait this out. There's a lot of political tension, so we'll see. It's a good year for gold. 2025 was good for gold. Bitcoin got a lot highest highs. Now it went down, but definitely it is certain that it was last year, it was gold's year. Silver is going up. But again, we're here to talk about DeFi, cryptocurrencies. But just to let you know, that's what's going on. Now, in a couple of news here, the cybersecurity alert Arbitrum Network, which is a layer 2 for Ethereum, faces a $1.5 million contract exploit in one of their protocols. This was involving the USD Gambit and TLP projects. The funds were transferred to the Ethereum and then laundered to Tornado Cash. Tornado Cash is the go-to when they do these exploits in DeFi. So every time you see one of these hacks or one of these exploits, in order for them to get it on, they go to Tornado Cash. And again, immediate exchanges were made, but this is one of the first ones of the year. I think there was another exploit of Starknet. There wasn't one exploit. And there was another exploit of the people that do NBA Top Shot, which I don't remember what their chain is, but that chain got exploited as well, lost 40% of its value within December. But again, it happens. This is normal in DeFi, so again, just another day. 1.5 is not bad compared to what I've seen, but it is what it is. Now, in other news, Ethereum may have started the year in a good foot. New record highs for developers activities in 2025. So Ethereum is just getting 2025. Got a whole bunch of developer activity. Now, this is mainly because of stablecoins. Because a lot of stablecoins have been reached out within last year, especially firms like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Chase, other international banks. And if you don't know, stablecoins were built on Ethereum, Tether, USDC. So there's like a blueprint to do it. Not that you cannot do it on other chains like Solana or Tron has them, Solana has them. Even Bitcoin, you can even do some stable coins. But again, Ethereum has a better blueprint and a better network to do it, especially with all the layer 2s and what they're trying to accomplish now with privacy and speed and stuff like that. So it's been a good year. 2025 was a good year for that. They got a lot of developers working on different things, especially with stablecoin projects. So this is good because it kind of gets decentralization a little bit better. So it's not just tied into one protocol. You can actually have many protocols that can work on the same network. And that is good. That is good news. Now, Solana as well has been getting, but in a different type of. So Solana gain more in real world assets. Now, what's happening with this is that Solana, if you have seen Pump, that fund, which that everybody could create a stablecoin, Solana's kind of movable to be like a retail trader. So people can actually trade stocks and tokenize stocks and things like that and trade them real fast in Solana. So they're kind of focusing on that. They're still focusing a lot of DeFi on different projects. But definitely they have picked up quite a lot of developers as well. But they are focusing on real world assets. Now, I will say this, Base which is the layer 2 of Ethereum made by Coinbase. It's kind of doing this as well. They're kind of moving into more real world assets, especially now that Coinbase is selling stocks in most parts of the world. I don't think they do that here in Canada yet, but eventually they will, I would assume. So I think that's gonna be a bit of a run for their money. But anyways, that's how we're starting the year. We took a break for a bit because of the holidays. Now we're gonna go back with the newsletter. We are on Beehive, and don't forget to go and subscribe in AtlanticDeFi.com and check us out. Peace out.